Thanks everybody for coming out today to our official ribbon cutting on our EV charging stations here at Batavia Downs, and it's a great day here. We've been working on this for a little while. To start off by thanking National Grid for working with us so closely on such a great project. We have with us here Whitney Skeens, the program manager from National Grid, David Bertola, and Paul Gister, and we welcome you here today. Thank you so much for coming out. Thank you even more, of course, for working with us on this project. Batavia Downs Gaming Hotel, through National Grid's electric vehicle make-ready program, we've installed 16 level 2 EV charging plugs to be used by those who visit here at Batavia Downs, one of Western New York's top entertainment destinations. For the project, National Grid, through their program, they provided $96,000 in EV incentives that covered around 78% of the entire infrastructure-related construction costs, and that including the cost of labor and some of the materials. Altogether, there's 16 level 2 plugs. There's 12 right out here, and there's 4 over here near the valet entrance. They're available for use by our guests, of course, who may be visiting the facility for any number of reasons, any of the promotions that we have. Initial meetings were held last year with National Grid to discuss the potential for the project. I want to thank right here Mike Prinzi from PPR, who was the construction manager on the project and the company that installed them actually for us. And Mike came to us a while back and came in and talked to our board of directors, so I'd like to thank as well, because they accepted Mike's pitch, which has done very well. And we're very happy to have these out here, obviously, to allow our guests to come here and utilize them and come and frequent our facility here. So as we know, with more and more demand for these type of amenities, we plan on doing the promotions and any hotel deals. Ryan Hasenauer, our director of promotions, is out here today. He knows how to utilize that, and hopefully it's attractive to our guests, but it's obviously it's good for the community as well. We're seeing more and more of these vehicles on the road, and we're so thankful for National Grid support financially and otherwise. I'd also like to thank Brian Cousins, who's here from the Chamber here in Genesee County. Brian's been a great partner with us on many, many different projects throughout the years. Welcome here today. Before we cut the ribbon, I'm going to have Whitney Skeens from National Grid come up here and address us quickly. Again, she was a program manager on this EV project here at Batavia Downs. We're very happy to have her and welcome you here today, Whitney. Thank you. Come on up.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much, Henry, for your gratitude. Thank you for all of you, members of the community, the business community in particular. I'm very honored to represent National Grid today as its EV charging make-ready program incentive manager, and was involved in this program from the beginning in collaboration with PPR Energy Solutions, one of the approved installers for the program. I'm excited because we are all co-creating the future of clean transportation, and I would also like to suggest that we are co-creating the future of sustainable tourism. I was here just last week visiting the project to take some photos and do an inspection, and I was delighted to meet a driver who had come in from New York City. She had rented an EV and was visiting her father, and had found the charging facilities here and was really delighted to be able to have that convenience. Clearly she's familiar with the facility, but she didn't know about these charging stations until she consulted a plug finding app and found these here today. So the opportunities are wider than just the Batavia Downs, but certainly will serve that amenity for the hotel, for the folks who visit the track, and really leading the industry in sustainable tourism. So with that, as Henry had mentioned, we are incentivizing ports statewide throughout National Grid's upstate electric service territory. Larger than this, and I have to go here, $154 million of investment for over 9,000 ports statewide. So this project here represents a leader in sustainable tourism, in clean transportation, and we're really delighted to be able to partner to co-create with PPR Energy Solutions and with all of you here today. So thank you for celebrating with us, and look forward to hearing from other businesses among this audience that may be interested in doing the same. Thank you.
All right, hit it.
This went pretty well. Thank you. Thank you again. Great job. Thank you.